Hi, I'm Andrew with Five Guys Roofing.
And I'm Jake.
And welcome to this week's episode of Ask Five Guys. Starting off, one of the biggest, most popular questions that we get here on this segment is the difference between single layer versus double layer underlayment.
Totally, yeah. This one's, as a roof specialist for Five Guys, this is one that we run into every day. So when you're talking about a tile roof, there's the actual waterproofing membrane that's underneath the tile is called underlayment. That's what's actually protecting your home from water getting in. So the tile itself, that keeps off a lot of just the rain and regular flow of water. But with here in Arizona, which is where we're based,
Harsh elements.
We get that monsoon season that you're getting water spraying sideways, up, down, through a lot of the time. So that underlayment is that main barrier. So when we talk about single versus double, what we're doing is we're putting the single layer down and we're overlapping each layer just a little bit per the manufacturer's requirements. When we do double, we increase that overage so that at any point in the roof, you've got 2 layers of underlayment. And that just gives you a prolonged period of warranty. So you're going from a 10 to a 15, which a lot of manufacturers take it from a 10 to a 20. So a lot of good benefits from going up. And the cost savings or the cost difference is so minute. It's so small in comparison. We're talking on an average home of, let's call it a 2,500 square foot roof. We're talking like an $800 difference between an added 5-year warranty and 1 extra layer of underlayment.
It's a big difference.
Huge.
And is there a weight to these papers? Yeah,
so the ASTM standards, which is just a nice acronym, a fancy way to say the roof law. So there's 30 pound and 40 pound. 30 pound we typically see pretty common with flips, with new builds. Some builders are using that. It's an easy way to cut costs.
Kind of a short-term fix.
I wouldn't call it short-term. I would just call it the minimum standard.
Okay.
Because it is
the bare minimum.
It is the bare minimum for the ASTM standards. So 40 pound is what we consider the better standard, and of the two, it's thicker. The weight, right? That's going to attribute to the thickness of it because the size of the rolls are the same. So 40 pound is our company's minimum standard, and our 2 layers of 40 pound is our preferred option, our recommended.
So 40 pound is the standard for Five Guys Roofing. So that's going to wrap us up for this week's segment. Appreciate you guys joining us, and let's tune in next week for some more questions.
Yeah, ask us more questions. Looking forward to it.
Thanks, guys.